Hey, Bolo buddies. Thanks for watching. All right, you guys, we're going to talk about stuffed animals, plush, that sell for big money or that sell fast. I'm going to tell you where they got it, what they paid for it, and what it sold for. Join my Bolo Buddies Facebook group down below under my link tree. This is a great resource for resellers. It is free. We talk about all things reselling with a focus on Bolo items. This video, we are going to talk about plush. At the top of the video, I have a post, or I'm sorry, at the top of the Facebook group, I have a post that says, share your best plush or stuffed animal bolo. And these are from different resellers in the Facebook group, and they shared their awesome finds with us. So let's check it out here. And if you guys share under that post, I'll feature it in a video like this. So go share your bolo. Let's see, paid less than $1 at a church sale, sold on eBay for 36 shipped. They are small, 5-inch, little, they look like keychains, guys. And $29.42 for the keychains. And she is Piece of Scrap on YouTube and eBay. So definitely check her out on YouTube as well. All right, this one here is a Care Bear. And I think, let's see, paid $1 at the Goodwill. It's taken years to sell, maybe 2 years, sold for $25 on OfferUp. So I can't see his other photos, but I think maybe a better photo would have helped. But OfferUp, he sold this on OfferUp. Is anybody else utilizing OfferUp? Let me know down in the comments if anybody else is selling on OfferUp. The next item is this Showbiz Pizza Place original package, plush Billy Bob vintage 1982, made in Taiwan. Look at this, you guys. Now, he did pay up for this. He paid $117 at an auction on Friday and sold it on a Saturday morning for $352. So sold in less than 24 hours for $352. So even though he paid up, woo, that's a great sale, right? This is a JiaroPack plush, stuffed Hello Kitty with headphones. It's a frog. Plush is easy for me to list and ship, but it's a bit of a slow seller. Yeah, it can be. Sometimes it goes fast, sometimes it doesn't. But if you've got room, plush is so easy to list and easy to ship. It's easy to find cheap, just easy. But it does take up a lot of space. The next item is this, and here's a good one. Check this out, guys. Paid $2 for this plush at a yard sale. Sent an offer to a watcher of 161 shipped. It sold within hours of listing. Piece of scrap on eBay and YouTube. So she sold it for $149 plus shipping. And it is a Jag Wolf plush stuffed animal. 21-inch. And she's put pillow and floppy in the title. And it still had the original tags, it looks like. Oh, look at this little cute pig. This one is by Manhattan Toy Company. Always a good brand to look up. It looks like it's got the little tag, which is good. Paid $3.09 with senior discount. Whoop, whoop. At Goodwill. Sold in one day for full asking price. This one is from Wheelie Good Flips. Sold for $29.99. Isn't it adorable? This one here is, oh my gosh, what is that little thing? It says Language Learning Muzzy, the Green Monster plush, Early Advantage, BBC. How stinking cute is that little thing? Wowza. Picked up 2 of these, paid $5.99 each at the Goodwill. Took a best offer of $25. It's a Muzzy. Wow. All right. The next one here are these guys. And you know what? I don't have any information, but I'm still going to show them. Panic at the Disco. It's a plush. Sold for $25. Never seen that one. And Build-A-Bear Pokemon plush. 17-inch. There you go, guys. Build-A-Bear. Sometimes they do better on Mercari. So if you guys have Build-A-Bear listed on eBay and they're not moving, try Poshmark and try Mercari. I do have referral links for both Mercari and Poshmark. If you're not on those, you can get money to shop if you join with my referral link. And then also List Perfectly is a great way to cross-post your items. Lots of new features over there. I do have a referral link for List Perfectly and tutorials down below of how I use List Perfectly. So check those out. If it's a good fit, you can get 30% off your first month with coupon referral code bolobuddies and the link below. So check it out. Novelties and Littles. Paid 25 cents, was 75% off at an estate sale, and it sold for full price of $34.95. It's a vintage 1989 Platinum Gorilla plush with banana stuffed animal. How cute is that, guys? How cute is that? And then here it says 3-way tie, money's money. So I don't have any information other than they sold these 3 items for $20. You got Pokemon Eevee. You got Vintage Gund Stitch Teddy Bear and the Dragon Ball. So just showing that you can flip plush, right? All right, here's some of mine. This one, I'm going to tell you guys right now, it took forever to sell. Forever. But it sold, right? And I paid $1 for it, and it sold for $35.91. Buyer was all in for $45.36. So like I said, plush can be long tail, but it takes just a few minutes to list it. Easy to find, easy to list. You can pick it up cheap. I got this at the Goodwill for $1. So yeah, it's up to you. You know, you may be a plush seller, you may not. I'm guessing if you're watching this video, you either are or you're thinking about it. So let me know in the comments, do you sell plush and why? This little guy sold super quick. It's a Disney store. So sometimes Disney store sits forever because there's so much of it. This guy sold quick. I got it at a garage sale for $2 and I sold it for $29.25. It's plus the buyer paid shipping. Tiana the Frog from Princess and the Frog. That's what it is. Sorry, I had to read my title. But that is a Disney store exclusive. This one sold really fast also. It is a Hallmark Sloth Lovey security blanket. If you're not sourcing Loveys, oh my goodness, love them. Paid 50 cents at a garage sale, sold it for $52, and the buyer paid shipping. They were all in for $61.70. This one took a long time to sell. Now, I had 2 of these that I got the same day at the Goodwill bins. They were both this Puro brand or whatever it is. And one of them sold super fast for big money. This one took years to sell, but I was patient and probably had a couple bucks in it. Sold it for $74.37. Let me see if I can. And you know, it's white, so you can see it's not perfect. There's the tag. Anybody ever sold these before? The next one I sold is this. It also sold very quickly. I was at the Goodwill and I decided to pick it up because it's a German Shepherd and it's a stuffed animal. I listed it high at $70 and somebody came in and offered me $45 really quick after listing it. And I said, you know what? I'm just going to take the money and be done with it. And, you know, it really just depends on sometimes the day. I'm like, I don't need to keep this hanging around. I'm going to sell it for $45. I paid $5 for it. So let me know what you guys do. It just really depends. A lot of times I'm like, nope, I'm waiting on the right buyer. But this one, I decided to take it. Jellycat. Okay, this is not a big money one, but you got to go check out my Jellycat. Type in BoloBuddies Jellycat into the YouTube search. You're going to be floored at the prices Jellycat can go for. I got this at the Goodwill bins, and I was excited because this is a good one. But look at its ear. Oh, its ear was gone. And I'm like, what do I do? Do I still list it? So you know what? I said, it's a good one. I'm going to list it. I still sold it for $19.04. Missing an ear, guys. Missing an ear. All right. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Come see me over on Whatnot. If you're not over there, I'm selling over there. It's super fun. If you guys sell on Whatnot, drop your handle down there so everybody can follow you as well. I do have a referral link. You can get $15 to shop if you use that referral link to join up for Whatnot. That's for new users only. And I hope you guys will come over. If you want to learn more about selling on Whatnot, I've got a couple tutorials down there as well. So you can check those out in the description. Thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you for watching, and I will see you at the next one. Thanks for watching.